What's going on, Mayor Garth?
It's Pic Patch Positivity Day, Alva. The day when everyone fills the Pic Patch with happiness. Happy photos. Oh. Happy memories. And happy comments, too. Bloopy blop, bloop, bloop, blop, 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 blop.
Megoth just typed, thanks for sharing that lovely memory, Blobbos. Heart, heart.
Aw, but why is everyone doing this?
When the Pic Patch is filled to the brim with positivity, it blooms, and it's blooming amazing.
Oh, I can't wait to see that.
Me neither, but it's going to be a while yet, so let's head up to my office. I need to fetch something.
Okay.
All this niceness and celebrating each otherness. It's truly awful.
Somebody needs to make it stop. And I know just the somebody.
Who?
Us, you silly snoodle.
Oh, yeah. I feel better already.
I'm just looking for my Pic Patch Positivity outfit. Found it!
I love them.
They're the perfect accessory for the occasion, and I have a pair for each of you.
Wow. You look cool, Mo.
Thank you. No one has ever called me cool before.
Well, then we need to celebrate this happy moment. And upload it to the Pic Patch. Oh, wait. Some other Oolie must have uploaded something to my Pic Patch. How special! Mayor Garth is an Oolie-foolie. Oolie-gazoolies. That's not nice.
Oh, Mayor Garth. It must feel awful to read that.
I think we should get back to the Pic Patch to see what's going on.
Aww.
Ah, better.
Oh, no! What's happened? There are so many negative comments.
That's so sad. Are there any photos or videos?
No, thank goodness only my friends can post videos to my Pic Patch, because whoever's doing this is definitely not a friend.
Oh no! What are those?
What? It's a brand new Pic Patch, full of photos and videos. I'm not sure about this. I didn't like when that happened.
Aw.
Or that.
Oh, Mayor Garth.
And there's so many. The Pic Patch won't bloom with all these.
It's okay, Mayor Garth. Mo and I will help you figure this out.
This is totally amazing.
Check this out.
Oh no, another video. Gross. Ugh. Of course it's the trolls who are causing this.
I detect that the trolls are behind those bushes.
Trolls, come out here right now. This is not funny.
You're right. It's not funny. It's hilarious.
Yes, now that we've ruined your Pic Patch Positivity Day, we've never felt happier.
But why did you want to ruin it?
I conclude that it's because the trolls are feeling jealous of everyone.
What, us? Jealous of Oolies and Blobbos and Clickies?
As if.
It's never okay to make others feel bad just to make yourselves feel better. As mayor, I won't stand for it.
What are you going to do about it?
I think Alva knows this one.
Yes, I do. Block them. Let's stop giving the trolls attention and let's keep on thinking positively. Mo, can you record me?
Of course, Alva.
Thumbs up. Way to go. Sending you a smile.
activating.
Woohoo! It's working, Alva. It's working.
Huh?
No! Alva's knocking off our messages!
Stop her!
Come on, Marigarth, help us.
Oh, yes.
Funny face. I love it. Robot dance. Help us, Blobbos.
I can't keep up!
There's just too much positivity. Oh.
Whoa.